Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit by Jackie Edwards, and it's cup number cup 866959_16. It's called Stylish in Black and White Mini Kit. You get 3 sheets and it fits an A5 size card. There's toppers, inserts, decoupage and gift tags included. And I'd like to show you what you get in the kit and then we can go ahead and make the card. Now the first thing I've got is the actual kit front. This shows you how the card's going to look when you've made it, and it shows you what you actually get in the kit as well. These are sometimes included in your kits, and it's the thing that you see, the image that you see when you're purchasing. So it's included in your kit, but I don't often show that, but it's just to kind of let you know what it is. So the 3 sheets that you're going to get that actually make the card, or that you can use to make the card, are the first main image for the design and the decoupage of the lady. And you can use all the decoupage or just some of it, it's entirely up to you. And then we've also got a card front without a sentiment. So we've got one that says the number 2 rule of a lady is to stay stylish. So you can use that as a card front, or you can use on the second sheet the blank. We've also got lots of decoupage as well for you to cut out, and the extra labels and sentiments. On the third sheet we've got the insert and lots of gift tags as well. So you could use those to coordinate everything, or you could use them to make a mini card, something extra, an envelope seal maybe. But I'd like to go ahead and show you how to make the card now. I've taken a piece of A4 cardstock and I've folded it in half. I'm going to use a bone folder to make sure I've got a nice sharp crease along the edge. And then I'm going to add the insert first. So I've cut out the insert, and I just wanted to use a piece of coloured A4 card because I just thought it blended really well with the colours that are on the front of the card for the decoupage. I've cut out the insert. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, so I can peel away the back of the tape, and then we can position our insert into the card. There we go. And press it down. Then we can go ahead and create the card front. I'm taking the blank card front because I thought I always pick the ones with the sentiments on, and I thought we'll do something a little bit different with this. So I've picked the one that has no sentiment. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, so again I can peel away the back of my tape and then pop it onto the card front like so. Press it down. Then I've cut out the decoupage for the lady. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm going to start building up the layers one over the other to create that 3D effect. Press it down, and then the next layer. Now for any new crafters, some of the layers might look a little bit odd. It's like this layer, the lady hasn't got a head, she's just got 2 arms. So on first looking at that, if you're a newbie, you might think, oh, there's something wrong with the sheet, but there isn't. As the decoupage layers build up, they'll get less and less, so you get less of the actual object or person that you're building up, until it builds up gradually into a 3D design. We've got 3D foam on the back, and we're just going to position this over the previous layer. There we go. Our next layer is the parasol base. So I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to position that over the previous layer. Press it down. Next is the Elegant Lady's hat. Again, 3D foam on the back, and we'll just position that over the previous layer. Next is the florals. So I've cut out each of the layers, put 3D foam on the back, and pop them over the layer on the card base. And then each layer is slightly smaller than the previous layer. Building it up as we go, 3D foam on every layer till we get to the top one, and I'm guessing it's about that way. There we go. I've then tied a little silver bow. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to pop that just to one side of the card. I've then taken one of the sentiments for Mum, and I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to pop that kind of under the bow and over a tail of the bow. There we go. And that's our card finished. So we can see those layers that's built up on the card front, and our insert matches perfectly. Such a beautiful card, very elegant. I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 86699/16, and you can see any of Jackie's designs by searching the Craftsuprint website and looking for Jackie Edwards. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.